So I'm supposed to be the top predator in the polar squad of Antarctica. Yeah, that's happening. But here's how I dominate in 3 moves. Step 1. Start with a stealthy approach and a keen eye. We are hunting, not just swimming around aimlessly. Step 2. Coordinate with the pod for a strategic attack. Perfect time for showcasing teamwork and precision. Final step. Execute the hunt with power and speed. Boom. Instant success. No effort wasted. Y'all see this? Use code ORCA20 for a splash of knowledge, or keep wondering, your choice.